Hey friends, do you wish to find your Wi-Fi password after updating your system to the new Windows 11 23H2 build? Now the option is in Windows settings, so it is very easy. I'll guide you through the procedure. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Wait for the page to load and go to network and internet on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, now if you're using Ethernet, use Ethernet, or if you're using Wi-Fi, click on Wi-Fi. And now the Wi-Fi connection will appear here. So you can click on Wi-Fi connection properties and then scroll down here and you will automatically find the option for view Wi-Fi security key. Click on view and the security key will be visible here. In my case, it is 11223344 and I will definitely change it after the video, so don't think about hacking into my system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to our channel. And if not, then please let us know in the comment section on how we can improve. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.